In this video, I am taking down fall. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, a housewife lifestyle decorating on a budget. Here on my channel, I do all things home and I do them all on a budget. So if you like that kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today, I know I'm late. I am taking down my fall and I thought I would bring you along with me. So enjoy the video. As you see, I am dressed different. It's the next day. I always say if you want to hear God laugh, tell him your plans. Well, my plan was to do this video all at once on the same day, but I end up having to rush my mom to the emergency room. So this is a whole next day. And also these that's next day after this one, I end up taking my husband to the hospital as well. So my week has been up in the air. proud of me. I forgot to film the part where I took down the fireplace, but all the bins are full. Everything is put in an organized manner. Now, what my question is to you is, do you have as many bins as I do for fall? I have 4. If you have more, let me know down below. Or even if you have less, I'm really interested in seeing if I have too much or do I need more. I'll see you in the next one. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.